Industry 4.0 is driving massive transformation in manufacturing and supply chains. So in the Colt Innovation Labs, we partnered with IBM and others to develop solutions for use cases such as visual inspection and asset management. Visual inspection is a common method of quality control, data acquisition, and data analysis using AI models interpreting captured images. We work with IBM Maximo's AI capabilities for visual inspection combined with Colt On-Demand and Colt Edge capabilities. In another use case, we leverage IBM Maximo's asset management with Colt Edge to facilitate an IoT gateway for processing and securely transferring IoT sensor data to the cloud over the Colt IQ network. Sustainability is a key focus area for enterprises and real estate technology. So finding solutions to report and reduce the amount of energy used is a top management priority. We worked with key partners to develop a smart building prototype with Colt House acting as a staging site. The prototype uses Colt Edge, private LoRaWAN for IoT network, and SaaS-based partner solutions for energy monitoring, reporting, and energy optimization using advanced data analytics and AI techniques working in tandem with traditional building management system. Finally, the edge is a critical part of modern digital infrastructure, especially when it comes to applications that require low latency or quick processing. But proven use cases have been limited. We work with CIN and others to commission a Colt Street Edge cabinet in Shoreditch outside Colt House, capable of supporting use cases around mobile core networks, IoT for smart city, Wi-Fi access points for mobile offload, 5G fixed wireless access, and edge computing. In one of the live use cases for edge computing, we partnered with EdgeGap, delivering the world's first game server running on true edge infrastructure. To find out more or to see for yourself.